Hello guys, I'm Shrujita. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 20th December 2018. So yeah, before starting today's vlog, I'm gonna add two old clips from the past. One is from the month of July when my parents came here, and the clip is where my dad is cooking mutton curry, and the next clip is Shomo cooking fish curry, and it's from the month of November, maybe first week of November. I don't know the exact dates. So yeah, if these two clips makes a long video, then I'm not gonna add to this clips in here. I'm gonna make a separate video on today's clips and make a separate vlog on that. So yeah, that's that. Now let's get into this video. And one more thing, you guys would be thinking that why I'm uploading this old clips in today's vlog. It's only because when my parents came here, I was not able to vlog that much. This is the only clip I got this time with them, so I wanted to add in this vlog. I hope you enjoy this, and I wanted to keep it as my memory as well, so that's why. And so from July 1 onwards, I was not that consistent on my channel, and I'm really sorry for that. I'm apologizing for that. But New Year is coming up, only 2-3 days are left. I'm gonna be consistent on my channel, and that's my one of the New Year's resolution also. I'm gonna be upload twice a week on my channel, and I'm gonna do that for sure, because this YouTube is what keeps me engaged, what keeps me busy. So and the most important thing is this is what I love to do, and that's why I opened a YouTube channel and show you guys my daily life. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys will understand and give me the same love and support. So now keep watching. Bye.
Hello guys, today is Sunday and I'm planning to prepare a trick shot for my wife, and the item or the preparation is called as fish do pyaja. So it's totally a new version of my own recipe, and that I only going to share with you guys in Srijita's blog. Stay tuned. So these are the pieces. I just cleaned out all the scales and I washed out thoroughly so that it will be very neat and clean. Now I am just putting some amount of salt, and you can put according to your taste. So once I put the salt, the next thing what I will do, I will put a little bit of pinch of turmeric, and I spread it out all the pieces evenly. And the last thing what I will put, that is some amount of mustard oil, and mix it properly. Once that is done, I will keep these things as marinated for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I just chopped 2 medium-sized onions. It's not needed to be very finely chopped, just medium pieces. So as you can see, I just cleaned out with fresh water. Hi, so I have put around 5 tablespoons of mustard oil and put it in hot oven. Let it be for 5 minutes. Once it is hot enough, then I will put the marinated pieces. One more point to remember, that we should not fry these pieces more than 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes each side. So I fried out all the pieces. So in the remaining oil, I will add cinnamon, clove, 5-6 pieces, and 4 pieces of cardamom, 2 red chilies, and just break it here in between, and 2 bay leaf. Now I am going to add the previously chopped onions.
After sauteing it for a few minutes, he's gonna add ginger garlic paste into it and cook it for at least 5 minutes. Then he added tomatoes into it. Then for the spices, he added some cumin powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt to taste, and saute it for another 5 minutes. Then he add a cup of water and bring it to boil, and he also add some ketchup, tomato chili ketchup. And then after it now he's just going to add the fried fishes, and at the end he is going to add a few coriander leaves, and it's ready. So I'm preparing chana masala with chicken keema for today's lunch. For that I'm just cutting out the veggies first, tomatoes, onions, ginger garlic and green chilies. Then I'm gonna make a paste. I soaked the chana dal overnight. So I'm going to prepare this dish in a pressure cooker. So for that I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil first. Then for tempering I'm gonna add whole garam masala and whole cumin. Then I'm going to add the paste, the onion, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add all the spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder, and salt to taste. After sauteing it for 5 more minutes, I'm gonna add the minced chicken. Then I'm gonna cook it for another 10 minutes. After that I'm going to add the soaked chana dal and cover the lid and bring it to 5 whistle. After that it's gonna be ready. So after lunch I'm just gonna unload the dishwasher and load it again with the unwashed dishes, and some of the dishes I'm gonna wash by hand also, and then clean the kitchen a bit, and that's it. So that's all for my today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this video it's all about cooking, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.